All right, for this one, we got to solve for x. Immediately, you guys are going to see these parallel lines in the transversal and think to yourself, oh yeah, alternate interior, corresponding, blah, 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 blah. Well, that's true. But in reality, you don't even need to think of all that. This, again, those are just vertical angles. And remember that vertical angles, right, are always congruent. Now, in case you're not familiar with what vertical angles are, it's whenever two lines cross. So what are vertical angles? If I have a line that crosses a line, it forms two sets of angles. This angle is congruent to this angle, and that angle is congruent to that angle. Those are vertical angles. Two angles across from each other are the crossing lines. They are always congruent. So I said all that to let you know that negative 1 plus 11x is equal to 120. I got to move this negative 1 because I want to get x by itself and all the other stuff on the other side. So to move the negative 1, I do the opposite operation. I'm going to add 1. Whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other. 1 plus negative 1 cancels out. They become 0. 0 plus 11x is 11x. 120 plus 1 is 121. Still want to get x by itself, so I need to move the 11 away from the x. 11x means 11 times x. To move the 11, I do the opposite of multiplying by 11, so I divide by 11. 11 divided by 11 is 1. 1 times x is x. 121 divided by 11 is 11. X equals 11.